Alright guys, so now we're testing out the SmartCapture mode on the Mavic Air. This was something that was available in the Spark, but I definitely think it's a lot more advanced on the Mavic Air here. It will actually stop recording in a second, because for some reason it stops recording when I go to SmartCapture, but I'll be back in a second. Literally, you go to the controller right here on the far left, and then SmartCapture on the top right. Okay, so it stops recording for some reason, and now we're back again. So you can see it's noticing that I'm here. It thinks, who is this person right here? What can I do with this person? So you raise one arm with your palm open, and now it's in SmartCapture mode. So now I can just move the drone around like I'm some sort of crazy Jedi dude that somehow has the Force in the real world. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, so you move your hand around, you can then lift it up, pull it down, and we've got a lot of wind and it's doing well. So yeah, you can literally manipulate it with your hand like this, do whatever you want. And then if you want to do something with both hands, you then move them away like this, which is not recognizing two palms. Let me just put this down for a second. There we go, so it's coming in close. If I move my palms away, it will actually go further away from me. And then if I pull them in closer, then it will come in closer. Okay, and now that I've put my hands down, now it's literally just in a follow mode. So it's literally just following me, doing my thing, which is crazy. I love this mode. This is something that a lot of people have actually commented on my Mavic Air video saying that this is their favorite feature, because they can just jump on a bike or they can go for a jog and they don't have to have this controller. They can literally just have it following them around, which is super handy. And then say for example I want to take control again, I just put my hand out and now it's in the SmartCapture mode. Now, two features I guess I can't really show you is how to take a picture, because I'm recording from here so you can capture the audio from my phone. But this is how you take a picture. It's just a peace sign and then it'll count down 3, 2, 1, picture. And if you want to start recording and stop recording, then you put a frame around your face. So I'll show you how that works now, and there'll just be a bit of a jump and I'll put the controller down. And there we go, we've started recording again. Took a few attempts there, but it normally is pretty responsive. And now automatically it's in follow mode. Now you can also land and take off with your hand, so having your palm out and then putting it directly to the ground will land it. And then when it's landed, it will look for a face, detect something, put your hand up and boom, it'll be back up in the air again. Really easy. I'm not going to land here because it's high grass and there's no clearance on this little thing. I wanted to make this a quick little video though, just to show you guys how it all works. It's honestly fascinating how responsive it is. And while it's in this mode, it obviously detects obstacles around it. And it's just really responsive. It's a lot better than the Spark version. I love it how it just automatically goes into a follow mode and then boom, it's following me. So handy and extremely responsive. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this crazy SmartCapture mode. I'm honestly impressed with it. It's really cool. And it's actually quite useful to be able to have those features and to be able to just have it follow you straight away. Literally, I could just have my controller on the floor, go into SmartCapture, it will look for me. I can have my controller on the ground even, have my hand up and boom, it will start detecting me. So right now, I'm just kind of playing with it, seeing how it's going. And it's honestly amazing. It's really responsive. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a splendid day and peace out.